What's the number one question that I get asked by most real estate agents and investors? And that is, how do I generate leads, or how do I get more deals? And we're going to go over this right after this. Hey, my name is Paul Kim, and I started Real Estate Life 360 to be a resource for investors and agents and real estate pros. But what I've came to realize is that after organizing a meetup for the past 10 years and being in this industry for well over 15, that the number one question that I get asked, and the number one question that's on everybody's mind, is how do I get more deals? How do I generate more leads? And so I am committed in this channel to answer some of those questions. But just to let you know that I currently have two channels, right? This is one of them, Real Estate Life 360, but I also have another channel under my name, Paul Kim 360. And so I'm going to be dedicating most of my time there, but I will be doing some videos on and off on this channel. But if you really want to get the most out of all of my experience, my strategies and tips, go check out my other channel and subscribe to that channel as well. Also subscribe to this channel as well. So on that note, the stuff that I share is by my own experience, because I've done them all. I've made the mistakes. I took a lot of marketing courses, and so what I came to realize is that at the end of the day, you know, if you are starting your business or you have a business, a real estate business, that marketing and getting clients and getting to that closing, right, is a lot of it needs to be focused on marketing. And so that's really the focus of Real Estate Life 360, right? We're going to be talking about other stuff as well, but I just wanted to let you know that this is what this community is about. And so if you're interested, follow follow me on Instagram, follow me on other social media, but also subscribe to this channel. But also I'm going to be bringing you some events that are going to help you along the way, right? And so one of the events that I am holding is a 3-day live event. You can go, I put the link below in the comment section, but you can go online. It's realestateonlinesecrets.com, and that's the 3-day live event that will help. That in that event, I'm going to reveal to you the framework of what we do to generate leads online organically without having to pay for ads, without doing a lot of work on social media. And so I'm going to be revealing that on that at that event. So I encourage you, sign up, realestateonlinesecrets.com. And then the other event that we're planning to do monthly is our networking event. It's the second Thursday of each month. It's for real estate investing pros, specifically investors, but other professionals are welcome to join and register for this event. I'm also putting the link on below as well. But if you'd like to go directly, it's link.realestatelife360.com/network. All right. So on that note, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and also check out my other channel at youtube.com/PaulKim360. And you can also find me on social media with the handle PaulKim360. All right. For now, have a great one. Bye now.